Hey, what's happening, guys? Welcome back. So we kind of had a busy weekend and we couldn't really do too much in terms of like vlogging cool stuff like last week. But I figured today's Sunday. Why don't we cook a little Sunday sauce? We just came back from the store and we picked up some stuff. What are you eating? Can I have some of this just in case? Yeah, gotta get that Purell and all that stuff. So we picked up some pork ribs and what else did we get? Some sausage. So there's like a different kind of sausage. I'm gonna try this cheese and basil Italian sausage. What are we doing? A cooking show here? Like the lights and stuff. It's so dark, right? So yeah, we're making. So my dad used to make this all the time. He still does. So unfortunately, we're not using his tomato sauce. We're using this, which is actually pretty good. He uses it a bunch of times. La Fede or whatever the hell you call it. And the pasta we're gonna go with is mini penne. Actually like this a lot. So I think one question a lot of people are probably going to have is like, is it sauce or is it gravy? What do you call it?
It's sauce. It's red, so it's sauce. Gravy, there's no tomato sauce in that.
There's like mashed potatoes. No.
That's gravy.
Got the ribs right here. First thing I want to do is just kind of season them a little bit with salt and black pepper. And if you guys never had this before, you've got to try making your own Sunday sauce. And we'll just let that sit a little bit because we're not messing with this. Now I want to show you the system. I learned this from a movie. It's called Goodfellas. You get a razor and then you could cut the garlic really thin. Actually, I never done this before.
Let's see how it works.
Yeah. I just thought oh wow, yeah. Because then, what is his name?
Paulie.
Paulie at in jail was doing this. Damn, yeah, I could go thinner actually. Oh shoot, I'm actually cutting my fingers. So what he said was that the garlic just liquefies in just a little bit of olive oil. Damn, look at that.
That is paper thin. All right, but I want my sauce to be red from tomatoes, not blood.
All right, we're gonna finish it off with the knife. Screw that. It would be cool, but maybe next time. We're heating it up. So yeah, got the olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, trying this out. It's from Trader Joe's. I think it's probably good. So we'll add about that much. Look at that color. Yeah, it looks nice. Let that heat up a little bit. All right, so that should be good. I'm gonna lower the heat a little bit. Just dump this. And I don't know if that's gonna work out too well. Yeah, that's not gonna work. I gotta cut it.
We should set up with the light.
That sausage is screwed up. These are clean, right?
Mm-hmm.
You're gonna need a bigger pot. Alright, just give it a little stir. Make sure it doesn't stick. The olive oil should help with that though. So yeah, like using sausage and pork ribs, it just gives the sauce a better flavor. If you were to just put sauce, like if you just heat that up and then eat it with pasta, it tastes okay, but this gives it a better flavor, like totally does.
But this is the first time you're making the sauce with that type of sausage, which was already flavored too. Why?
Yeah. I don't know, I just want to see if it will release like more flavor into the sauce.
But what's in it?
It's a pork sausage with basil and like pecorino cheese in it, or some kind of cheese.
Oh, nice.
So yeah, we just want to brown it a little bit, release some of that fat from the pork and the sausage, because that's going to just give the sauce so much better flavor. All right, wine. I'm putting wine in there. Cabernet Sauvignon, it's like a dry wine. We're going to put a little wine.
No, that's why we have the dry wine. Because we cook with what we drink.
Yeah. The purpose of the wine, like I never understood it. Like it's for the flavor. Eventually the alcohol evaporates, that's all gone. But the flavor of the wine gives the whole sauce a flavor. So that dry flavor of grapes is basically gonna taste really freaking good. So like I said, we're gonna make this disintegrate or evaporate all the alcohol. That takes like a few minutes. And then after that, I wanna add some better than bouillon beef flavor. Kind of mixing things here, but whatever. Better than chicken. So we'll do that. Just let this finish. It's almost there.
Yeah, it's almost disintegrated.
Disintegrated. I want to keep the vlog thing happening every weekend. So I figure this, we'll see what happens. This might ruin my whole career. I'm gonna do the better than bouillon now. So, I don't know. This is kind of salty, so I'm not gonna add too much. Maybe a little more though.
You know what that just reminded me of? Never tried it, but Vegemite. Vegemite?
Vegemite? Yeah, what is
right?
that stuff?
I've seen videos and it looks like that. Like, I feel like it looks like this. Or am I completely wrong? Thanks. You can close it.
What I want to do now is just add some tomato paste. So this is concentrated tomatoes, basically. So a really intense tomato flavor. See that?
Can't focus.
I'm going to squirt it in. Ready? 3, 2, 1. I probably would put more than this, but I think that's enough for now. We don't need too much. Yeah. Bam. Alright, it's almost time to put the sauce. We're getting some nice fat deposits at the bottom of the pot.
Let me see.
So that's all flavor right there, baby. Damn, it is kind of hard to film and do this at the same time, so I was supposed to put this earlier.
I was about to say, isn't that supposed to go first for the flavor?
Yeah, like right after you put the meat, the next step would be this stuff. So it's probably gonna taste like crap now. No. That's good.
That was probably so loud.
I know, sorry guys. So I think it's still fine. Let's see. I never did it like this before. See if it still tastes good. So we'll let that just kind of simmer a little bit. Release some of that garlic and onion flavor, and then we'll add the sauce. You want to do 2 jars or 1?
I don't know. We'll try with 1 and then see. I don't know if it's going to cover it.
Yeah, we need it coated. So like I was saying, store-bought, not my dad's stuff. Wish we had my dad's stuff, but this is like it's called a passata. So it's like a more of a thicker sort of sauciness. And it's just sauce. There might be like some salt in there. I didn't read the label, but it's just tomatoes. So most of the flavor is just coming from the meat.
I like the sound it made. Ooh.
Maybe. Look, it got on the wall.
Thanks.
Work.
We'll see, because it might reduce a bit.
Yeah. Oh shoot. That was more than I wanted.
It's completely submerged now.
Yeah. Usually we go for like a pecorino romano cheese, but they didn't have it when we went today, so we picked up grana padano, which I've never really used before. So we're gonna see if this actually makes it taste any good. But I just started doing this, so cutting up a little piece of cheese and just putting it in the sauce. It's slow melting. It takes forever to melt, but by the time the sauce is done, it'll all be melted in, and damn, it makes the flavor of the sauce 1,000 times better. And now we'll just let it set and cook on low. Now, like maybe 2 hours. Let's try to do 2 hours. I'm hungry. I want to eat it right now, though, but yeah. Okay, so it's been about 1 hour and almost 45 minutes, so we're almost there. Water's boiling for the pasta, and you have to season it. Got sea salt. Gonna add a whole lot of that in there. Gotta flavor that water there. Make sure you do that. Makes your pasta taste really good. We got the mini penne. I like this pasta. It tastes good, and it only takes 7 minutes to make until al dente. Don't overcook it, or else it's just all mushy and disgusting. Don't do that. You like mushy pasta? I probably put a lot there, but a little bit more. Just give it a nice little stir, and then this is, like I said, 7 minutes, and we're ready. And then we're ready to eat. So with this recipe, I also do like to use some parsley. Now, I don't know if this is like a sin or anything. Like, I don't know, like a lot of people think, you know, Italian recipes are sacred and holy and all that stuff. But I think usually what you do is parsley you put in like more of like a white type sauce, like an oil base. And red sauces usually do like a basil. But it tastes good in this recipe, so I'm gonna do it. Bam. Actually, we didn't show the sauce yet. Check it out. The cheese, actually, the clumps of cheese are pretty much all melted. The flavor of it is delicious. Alrighty, pasta's done. Let's drain it out. There it is. I think I made a little bit too much pasta, as usual. Right in there. We'll grab some of this sauce from in here. Probably like a few ladles or whatever this wooden spoon thing is. So you kind of have all the pasta coated in sauce. That should be enough. I'm seeing some of those cheese clumps, not all of them melted, which is fine because if you catch that, it'll taste really good. It'll just the burst of flavor in your mouth, you know what I mean? I don't think the ribs are done yet, so I'm going to leave the ribs in a little bit longer. I think they need a little bit more time. They take some time, more time to cook than the sausage. So yeah, let's make some plates. All right, here's how we do this. We get a spoon, maybe two. Top it off with some sauce. You like a lot of sauce, right?
Yes.
This is for you?
Make mine saucy.
So you want more than that?
Yes, a little bit more. Good.
That's good. All right, a little bit of parsley.
Ooh.
This cheese is good.
Ooh.
Grana Padano, right? Did we try that before?
I don't know.
I don't think so. Usually, I like pecorino. We'll see how this is. And then maybe put a little sausage on the side there. Bam! Now I gotta make mine. Looks and smells amazing.
Yes, it does.
I just gotta get a little cheese on there. Just want to get you guys a little close up. Damn! All right, it's time to eat.
Yes. Let's sit down. Hurry up. Eat. That's so good. I'm starving. That's the only bad thing. Is that it takes so long to taste so good.
Oh wow, this is good. So the whole idea is the longer that this sauce cooks, the better it'll taste. It'll just get super concentrated with all the flavors. It might even like reduce down compared to whatever.
It's like extra thick.
Yeah, it turns super thick.
The sausage.
Yeah, I didn't try the sausage. How was it?
It was really good.
We got away with about an hour, almost 2 hours.
Yeah, but you usually are supposed to start this like early in the day. It's supposed to be an all-day Sunday thing. I don't know how you don't like that much sauce on your pasta.
I don't know. I just like
It's so much better.
Ribs are still cooking. I think they need a little bit more time, maybe another half an hour. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed that, and hopefully you guys try it and let us know how it turns out. And another thing is, like, I guess this is just like a test to see what happens if you guys enjoy this kind of stuff. These are maybe some other additional types of vlogs that we can do together. And I'm gonna be doing bone broth this coming week, like probably Monday or Tuesday or something. So it'll be interesting if you guys want to let me know.
That's another all-day cooking
Yeah, that's like
recipe.
yeah. Guys, thanks for stopping by. Appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one.
Bye.